Oh no. Oh no.
Alright, what's going on YouTube fam? Welcome back to another stream. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Tuesday. We're back in for another week. There was no streams yesterday. I didn't trade yesterday. I didn't trade London yesterday. But it's good to be back on. Hope you guys did enjoy part 1 of letting my subscribers trade for me as well. If you guys haven't already, go check out that video. I posted it yesterday. But yeah, hope you guys are doing well. Ready for another crazy week on gold. We already called like a 80 tick move on gold already this week, which has been incredible. So we're up already over 70 ticks yesterday alone, which is phenomenal. We'll see what today brings though. We'll see what today brings. Yo bro, what's up? What up? What up? What up? Good to have you guys back. Remember guys, drop a little like for the stream. We'll wait a couple more minutes. We'll let a few more people tune in, and then we'll get going for the day. We'll see what Goldie brings. We should get Zoom set up as well. Excuse me. But yeah, hope you guys had a good weekend. Hope everyone's having a good start to October as well. Gold's been having some incredible moves recently. Incredible moves. Hey yo, Nathan, what's up, man? And I'm going to Bali next week, which is going to be a good trip. Riley, good afternoon. Whether I stream in Bali or not, I will let you guys know, but that's not until next week anyway. Let me send in the Zoom link to the community, guys. London session. Gold's already having a nice move here. I just had a one-to-one call with one of the guys in the community and drew up this lovely gold trade, which is already hitting 20 ticks, which is beautiful. I'm not in it, but we drew it up on our one-to-one call beautifully. Whereabouts in Bali? I'll be staying in Canggu, man. I'm staying in Canggu area for half, and then I may go up to Ubud or something like that. My first time in Bali, man, so I'm pretty excited for it. I've always wanted to go to Bali. Morning from the airport in London. Good morning, man. Good to have you on the stream. Get me tagged in that story if you're on that travel trading lifestyle, man. Love to see it. What's the cost of VIP? It's only $100 a month, man. If you do longer, it's even cheaper. Pays for itself. There's no upselling of any courses, anything like that. Absolutely everything is included in the community. All the levels shared on gold yesterday in the community made like over 80 ticks, which is incredible. Riley, we're like 9 subscribers off 9,000. So you guys go share the link, go share the channel, get them subscribers up. Yeah. Need to check out Uluwatu. I think I've heard of that. Yeah, let me Google it, man. Thank you. I'll put it down. Go check it out. Yeah. Anyone who's been to Bali, yeah, shout over any places for sure. Oh yeah, this looks nice, man. Yeah, I'll definitely check that out. Maybe I join. Yeah, it'd be awesome to have you, man. Like I say, pays for itself. You get full access, you can have one-to-one calls, you can get the full trading course, the strategy, trade breakdowns, all the trade setups for London and New York session. Like I said yesterday, last 2 weeks, gold calls have been on point. Gold has been beautiful recently, so come take advantage of it. And you can come and join the Zoom as well. And yeah, if you do want a one-to-one call, then yeah, we can absolutely organise that. But enough about me. How's your guys' week been so far? Did you guys take any trades yesterday? How's your guys' October been? Profitable? Break even? Loss? Be open, be transparent. We're all here to grow. There's no shame if you're in a loss. Loss is all part of the game. Or if you're break even. Or if you're up for the month. Amazing. Good job. What time is it? 3 minutes around. Let me just start letting Zoom guys in a second. Let me share my screen here. We up. Good man. Lost like 1k. All good, man. No worries. As long as you're sticking to the plan. 15 pips on GJ. Good job, Nathan. Good shit, man. What's going on, Zoom, guys? Angel, what up, man? Good to have you guys back. Back on stream. Back for another week. You in that? No, I'm not in that, man. No. Me and Jay were just talking about it on our one-to-one call, but no, I'm not in it, man. Just had it drawn up pretty nicely though. Gold had an instant bottom wick. It was nice buys into the 30 flip. I think it's already hitting like over 20 ticks. But yeah, no. Me and Jay just jumped on a one-to-one, so we're just running over top and bottom wicks, and and ended up hitting pretty nicely. But no, I'm not actually in it. I'll wait till Jay joins. He can see it. But I haven't taken anything yet today. I'm just jumping on now with you guys. What time is it? Wait like one more minute. I'll start showing my screen.
Hey everyone.
Hey mate, how's it going?
Pretty good. Yourself?
Yeah, good. Thank you, man. All good. Chilling. Ready for another week. YouTube fam, drop a little like for the stream. Get them likes up. Goldie has a nice double top. Oh yeah, very nice. What time's that? Is that a 5 minute? Yeah, I like that, man. I like that. Like I say, anyone who's just joined, I'm not in this trade. This is just one that me and Jay drew up on our call, which has ended up hitting pretty nicely actually. Probably should have taken it. What time is it? Right, wait, one more minute, see if any more Zoom guys, there goes, someone else is joining. And then we'll get started in a second. I'm drinking coffee at like 4 PM, it's not good. There is also, I just spotted some liquidity. I'll just share and go. Alright, let's just start sharing screen. And make sure it's on here. Trading view. No. There we go, cool. Alright, let's do it. Start breaking down Goldie, start drawing on some liquidity levels. Let me just turn it down a little bit. Alright, cool. Scotch trading. Yeah, Angel just noticed this nice little double top here on gold, which I agree is very, very nice. The other interesting thing on gold is before this current push up, what did we not do? We didn't come and grab any lows. So current liquidity points for the day is going to be these lows and these highs. If we can grab these lows, we got amazing longs up into them highs, which from down here is like 30 ticks. But it's looking like you're going to grab the highs first. But let's just have a look at an overall bit of top down on Goldie. Have a look at that daily. So I was actually looking for the daily on gold to flip bullish yesterday, but didn't actually flip bullish. So I would like to see overall gold come back down and grab previous daily lows before a potential push up. So I'll get rid of this. Let me bring this over here. I'll get rid of that. Let's do this again. So current liquidity level on gold. You've already got a top wick on this current daily. You're finding some support. But I think you're very likely to come and grab these previous daily lows before a potential push back up and flip bullish on the weekly. So if you look at the weekly, all of this is a level of support where this could be a big bottom wick to start to flip bullish. And you can come and grab some serious weekly highs here on gold. You're probably not going to see that bigger moves till when you have the news. But today, overall, I would like to see yesterday's lows grabbed before a potential move. So got some guys joining on Zoom. Yesterday, you did come down, you wicked out these out lows and pushed up. You still didn't grab the overall liquidity as well on gold. So there's a lot of overall upside levels to come and grab on gold. So the more lows you can grab here on gold, the better. There's a lovely little liquidity grab yesterday. This is the overall level up here. You got this 1, 2 triple top. Triple top all the way up here. Let me just bring this across. So upper liquidity levels on gold is here, here, and here right now. So I would mark these levels in your charts. If we can ideally grab these lows first, you could see an intraday scalp up into here. I don't think you'll grab these highs yet. I think you'll probably have to grab daily lows before you see these highs grabbed on gold. So overall, I think once you get up into these regions, we're going to be looking for a play back down by the looks of it. Unless you grab this level first, then you can buy up into here. But if you don't, this to me on gold right now looks like a level where people will be trying to do something like this. So any retailer who is trading gold right now will be trying to look at something like this. They'll draw their resistance like this. They'll see this level of resistance. They'll jump in shorts and they'll put their stop just above this high. So by the looks of it, you're going to see gold spike up. If I can get buys into that high, great. But it looks like you've actually already just grabbed the alley low. What's it? 15 pips sometimes, not bad if you can get more of a bottom wick. But yeah, shorting gold right now is a retail trap, so I would be looking for longs into. Had that previous hourly just closed as well. Let's get rid of all this for a second. So you may actually, let me go to this. You may actually spike up a little bit more and come in, maybe retest these levels a little bit more on gold. So I actually wouldn't mind jumping in longs for potential false move up of the day before seeing this continuation all the way back down into here. It looks like you kind of got a little double bottom down there as well. The only place I can consider longs on gold is if you come back down to grab these lows. So if you can, you don't have to grab the highs yet. Maybe you can get this, something like this. And then, where's our arrow? And then potentially this. Or, like I say, if you grab these highs first on gold, that could be the short. Down into these lows. And then who knows, is that gonna be the runner for the day? So yeah, that's the current plan of action as of right now. It's in a tight little range, but it looks like a worthwhile range. You just grab this little high, but I still think you're gonna spike up this resistance. If you could see this 5 flip bullish, yeah, potential. Not gonna be the biggest risk to reward, but it's definitely got potential. Because too late, already flipping. But you could have stopped below that low. Your break-even point would be here, and if it can run back up into these levels, then it would be a worthwhile trade. But I think we wait for a little bit more. Longs off this little level came down. 5 minute found some resistance, came down, re-grabbed previous 5 minute lows, have a nice little push up now. Just see a little bit more. How'd that last 30 close? 30 was nice on gold. 30's come down, grab these 30 support as well, close back above the level, instant bottom wick, flip back bullish, having a nice drive. So let me do this second. Let me do it on the futures chart. Yeah, so I've already done it. So this is the current 30 range we're playing with right now. If you break above this level, then amazing, you could look for longs back up into this double top up here. You've already come down, you wicked out these lows. This candle here was an instant bottom wick as well, and then flip bullish and now having a nice drive. So on the flip of that up into there, you've already almost got 20 ticks. There you go, that current 5 has actually flipped quite nicely. So anyone who is shorting Goldie right now is about to get stopped. GCZ23, man. Oh no, yeah. On TradeView, yeah, GCZ3, yeah. On TradingView, 23. On Trader Vic, yeah, just GCZ3, man. There you go. So Goldie's grabbing these highs now, which is nice. This is still a nice level of liquidity down here. Where was the 30 level? Kind of here. If you start breaking above, that's going to be the next level. It's quite a, it's not the cleanest of 17. Let me just double check news. Yeah, you got retail sales as well today. You have what else have you got this week? What day is it today? Tuesday. Yeah, retail sales today. Unemployment claims on Thursday. And then the Fed speaking on Friday. So you got a pretty active week fundamentally as well on gold, which is good. That's what we want to see. Stefan, new tattoos? No, no new tattoos for me, man. Not in a while. Not in a long time. Not in a long, long time.
We just grabbed those eyes.
Yeah, nicely, man. Nice little spike. I think you'll spike it a little bit more. So anyone who was shorting this is currently getting stopped out, which is what you want to see. So you just stopped anyone shorting out that resistance, which is good. So after it came up, closed doji, grabbed previous 5-minute lows, retested these highs. 15 ticks, not a bad little range. I think you'll spike them out a little bit more though. How's the 15 looking? Yeah, 15 is looking quite strong. You gotta be careful in this little range in gold, because this 30-minute range is, say, a 17 ticks. It's quite a tight range. If you do come up though, you're gonna have some nice highs to grab. A little trend line going on down there as well. May spike around that. That would be a worthwhile trade. But let's see how this 5's go. 30's already bounced off this support nice at like 6 a.m. 6 a.m. London time. You're already bouncing off this support. 30 ticks, which is beautiful. Let's see if the 15's. The 15's probably... It's got 3 minutes, but I think this 15's probably going to close strong above this level here. Look at this. It's a big, big level. You can get a lot of manipulation around here. Close above, straight back, below, above, below. It's a big level.
What's cracking? How are we?
How's it going, man? He's back.
Good, bro. We're here.
How's your weekend, man?
Good, bro. I saw some family and relaxed.
Nice.
Open weekend. How about you, bro?
Yeah, chilled, man. Very chilled. Just getting ready, going to Bali next week, so I'm pretty excited, man.
Yeah, good on you, bro. Somebody's got to do it.
Yeah, exactly, man. Exactly. Did you book your Bali flight tickets for the next year? Did you not book them yet?
I haven't even ended up doing it yet, but...
Yeah, I need to do mine.
Yeah, I want to do it now before like those prices go up.
Yeah, sometimes on Jetstar they come up with some like really good deals sometimes.
Yeah, that's the only thing. Virgin have cheap as ones. They were like,
Really?
Yeah, I went straight on Virgin.
Nice.
I went on a but yeah, Virgin had the cheapest. It was like 380 or something.
Yeah, it's decent, man. It's very good.
Yeah, yeah. What day are you gonna do the course like those 2 days, roughly?
I haven't really decided yet, to be honest, man.
Yeah. I'm gonna be getting tattoos the last day I'm there.
Oh, sick, nice, man. Bali's got some
Yeah.
sick tattoo places.
Yeah, so I'll be in for at least a full day, maybe like a day and a bit.
Yeah, nice.
So I'll try and plan it around the schedule you got planned.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna do it in the middle, like maybe like the Tuesday and Wednesday or something.
Yeah, that's
I reckon.
beautiful.
Yeah, either the start or the middle. Yeah.
Yeah, lovely. Works for me.
Yeah, it's gonna be good, man. It's gonna be good.
Yeah, keen
Is
as.
the retreat sold out? No, not yet. I think there's like maybe one or two, but I'm debating closing it. To be honest, I think like there's more than enough people coming now. I think there's like 10. We got like 10 or 11, which is fucking amazing. Secured 22 ticks on gold. 400 comes from the airport. I'm done for the day. Good man. Look at that. Amazing, man. Amazing. Trading from the airport. I love it, man.
Yeah, $340 economy. Brisbane straight to Dempsey.
Yeah, that's fucking sound, man.
Yeah, the play looks nice.
Yeah, man. Is this going to close bearish? Yeah. Last 5 of the 15. Is someone joining outside the community? Yeah, Nathan. I think one person has joined who isn't in the community, which is pretty cool. One or two. Other than that, it's everyone who's in the community, which is good. I'll start making a group soon as well. Make a new Discord channel just for the Bali, just so people can chat before it, stuff like that. Book flights. Some of the guys as well had ideas of booking the flights together, which I think we should do. I think that'd be cool.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, that'd be good, man. Eden's joining. There you go. 5 minutes closed. Bullish. 15 is closed bullish. If you come and grab some previous 5s here, I think you may just continue pushing higher on gold. So you can come and grab. We're getting some nice bottom wicks here now. If you can come and grab these previous 5s before grabbing these highs, it's a potential long region. Let me make sure I got the account set up. So where they? So we grabbed them highs beautifully now. Why was that flip? Would that flip have been stopped? No, he'd just about still be in it. Yeah. Yeah, so that's a nice 15. 15's closed nicely above that level now. So if you can come down and grab some previous 5 lows, you may look for a retest entry before the flip. So I'm looking to grab. Oh, there you go. I'm really grabbing that 5 low. If you can reject from here, this is not a bad place to. Oh, it's gonna fucking go so quick. Look at that. That's why you got to execute. Not a bad place to see if this can continue pushing higher. Oh, look at that. We're a snipe and a half. Nope. Because the 15's got no top wick, so the 15 is bound to create a top wick. It's unlikely that this 15 is just going to close bearish. If you can buy it into that top wick, as soon as it creates top wick, go break even and see if you can run. You could see futures chart push back up into like maybe 1932. It looks like it's already sniped. You'd have been quick on the ball on that one. Look at that. As soon as that creates the top wick, which it basically is, you really want to be managing. Look at that, having a snipe and a half. Wow, fuck, you'd have been quick on that one. Same thing here. Came down, grabbed previous 5-minute lows, kept pushing here. Comes down, grabs previous 5-minute lows, instant bottom wick. Carries on pushing. Make this 30 chart a little bit bigger here. Let's have a look at Nasdaq. Yeah, it's going to be interesting to see how much gold is going to push up here before grabbing these lows. And yesterday's low. That's what I would like to see overall on gold today. Overall, to grab yesterday's lows would be beautiful. You may even grab the highs first. So you got liquidity here and here. So you can put it on here. Put it on here. Yeah, yes, it trapped in between yesterday's high and low. So it's very likely you're going to come and grab yesterday's high or low. Ideally, we can short into the lows first, and then see how that news comes out later on for the weekly to start flipping bullish. If anyone did snipe this at one, you definitely want to be at break even. Now that 15's created a top wick and actually rebroken previous 15, so that could be a potential liquidity grab. How did Nasdaq move yesterday? Look at that huge push up straight back down. Bam, look at that. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. There you go, would have stopped the break even on that Goldie long anyway. So if this starts to flip back bearish, it's got potential because then that 30 is going to be rejecting that resistance. Oh, how'd you got on the break of the high? Yeah. As soon as it grabs that liquidity, you got to be managing straight away. Because the 30 is a big resistance right now. Look at this, this is huge. Big level. And you can start to flip out of here. See how this finds close in 14 seconds. 15 did close above, but the 15 can fake out of here a lot. Bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. Bullish, reject it, and push. Wait, this opportunity bought at 1928.3 to sell them into, is that on the futures? Yeah, I think it's on futures. To sell them into 1930.5. Yeah, very nice, man. Great trade. Great trade. Yeah, beautiful, man. Yeah, even bounce off that. Bounce off, yeah, bounce off from there. Playing that tiny little range. Very nice, man. Very nice. So 5 minutes closed. 5 minutes closed back bearish there. 30 still rejecting pretty nicely. I want to see it close a little bit more volume than that on Goldie. A little bit more volume, but if you start to reject more from here, it's a nice level of resistance to play the range. Hi Aaron, new here. Welcome out. Welcome to the stream. Do you trade any other products other than gold? Nah, just gold futures, man. Gold futures. I can analyze other instruments whilst we're waiting, but I personally only trade gold futures, man. All I need is Goldie. Look at this 30 rejection here. If this 30 rejects like this, fails to close below like here, 30 next top wick, and then this is where you then could short down into this liquidity. I think that's a kind of plan on Goldie for now. Trade your own account or trade at Apex. I've personally never traded on Apex. I haven't heard good things about Apex. But top step and personal, man. What is your strategy? It's mainly based off liquidity. Liquidity grabs like this. This is the level that I spoke about before. Oh, look at this. Yeah, nice. Going to get a nice bearish close here on Goldie, I think. And I'm going to be looking for these sells. That 30 resistance. Overall, like I say, overall play today is looking for shorts down into previous daily lows on gold before a potential pushback higher. So as long as this 5 minute doesn't close too crazy, next top wick and intraday target's going to be there, and then we're going to see where some runners are going to go here. We're getting a nice close here. Oh, Angel's already in the shorts. You got off the break of the low. Yeah, very nice, man. Angel's already in the shorts. Look at that. Lovely. Good job, man. Oh, you're going to fill the whole range, aren't you, motherfucker? Yeah, look at that. So you got 15 fake out there, I think. 30's just starting to flip bearish. Like I say, man, look at that. Executing off that level. What you already got? You already got 13 ticks. Look at that. Nice trade there. And you probably managed to fucking go break even already, man. You got a lovely entry. Look at that. Oh, yeah, look at that. You got a lovely entry. What do you get over there? 15. Look at that. 15 ticks, 4 contracts. Amazing, man. Amazing. Great profits right there. Do you look at imbalances? I do not, man. I don't. 5 minutes, 1 hour imbalance. I would love to have been in this short already. Angel, it's a nice little snipe there. So like I said, for anyone who's just joined, I already said earlier, anyone who is trying to short here is going to be doing something like this. People get stopped out, gold has a nice move back down. So as soon as you get top wick on this 5, as long as you haven't grabbed these lows, that's going to be the next intraday liquidity level. Sure, yeah. As soon as you get a closure, there'll be a nice here. This could be nice. Stop will go above this. Would you say gold is best for liquidity? Yeah, absolutely, man. Yeah, gold is going to be the best mover for that. US equities is great. I stay away from it in the European sessions, but yeah, gold is going to be the best for that, man. Especially if you're trading futures. If you're trading futures, you can catch great trades on gold in any session. You catch like 15, 20, 30 ticks on gold a day or 2 times a week, you'll make great returns. And yeah, gold can give you that in European sessions multiple times. I had some great trades in London yesterday. Does look like a nice short to liquidity. Yeah, it does, man. It does. 5 minutes just closed. The pretty steep wick there. Hasn't grabbed any lows though, so you have the potential to see that get filled. 30 is currently looking incredibly doji. So if this 30 doesn't flip bearish, the likelihood is the next 30 is going to give a top wick before coming back down. So you may have to wait for that. But let's see how this 5 is going to open. Ooh, instant top wick. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Instant. Is that an instant top wick? Yeah. So you can short the break of the low. It's a very tight range. What's that going to be? 18 to there. Potential. Yeah, it's a very tight range. You have a potential 5 minute flip there on gold. I'm personally not that comfortable trading this range, but I think I'd rather wait for the top wick on the next 30. But if this 5 can flip bearish, you could see a nice wick fill there. You haven't grabbed any real lows. But the likelihood of this 30 coming to create a top wick on the next 30 is probably pretty high. So you want to see this? I want to see this 30. Yeah, 30 closed like somewhere around here. Closed a little bit bearish, and then you want to see the next 30 come back up for that top wick, and then you could be looking for that play. Oh, let's turn up for a bit actually. But yeah, Goldie had some amazing moves yesterday. That's going to just close doji. Amazing moves. This is the liquidity we talked about in. I'm on the fib in Discord. This was hourly lows. Literally wicked out them hourly lows and had a lovely push yesterday. He had some very strong pushes on gold. yesterday. I had some longs from like down here. It was like what, 70 ticks up into there, and even took this little very, very small play here, triple bottom, came down, grabbed the lows. What, 35 ticks playing this little range yesterday. So yeah, it sounds like fucking great moves yesterday. Got me 10 tickers, amazing man. 10 ticks is fucking great. Very well executed and managed, man. Very, very well. Trade liquidity past 5 years, but strategy is quite unique. I've grabbed, made some kind of fake out first. Yeah, nice man. Yeah, pretty similar to me. Very, very similar to me, man. Just liquidity regions and like main support and resistance. So this is like my overall liquidity levels on gold. These lows, these highs, and this daily low down here. So just a matter of which are we going to grab first. What's up, fellas? What's going on, Harry? Good to have you back on the stream, man. How is Sammy? He's good, man. He's good. He's just currently getting picked up from doggy daycare. He should be home soon. Hey man, how much did you start out when you started trading? I made a whole video on my journey, but I started out with well, my very first account was like $1,500, and then I blew that, and I didn't trade any personal money until I was able to get my first funded account, and then I traded that alongside personal with like maybe $5,000, and I didn't blow an account since then. But yeah, like I said, I made an entire video on my journey. I'm probably made every single mistake under the sun. So alright, 30s are just closed. 30 just closed bullish. Look at that, Goldie closing back above the range. 5 minute, no top wick. Pretty messy right now.
We are taking the support on the trend line.
Yeah, look at that. Let's get rid of these levels. Let's get rid of this. 15 came down, grabbed previous 15 low, still closed back above the level. I mean, if you can see this 30, so what would stops be? Stops have to kind of be down below here though. Oh yeah, nice spot, man. Yeah, I really want to see these lows grab, but I think this 30 is probably going to just continue to push higher. So if you took the entry off this level, yeah, stop would kind of have to be like down here as a hard stop. You cut it way before then. Let's watch a 5 minute. I would love to long, but if I go long, my stop loss can't go below here because this is a potential liquidity region. But yeah, 30 has closed bullish. 30's closed bullish above all these levels. Haven't grabbed any previous 30-minute lows, but doesn't mean you can't keep fulfilling this range first. So if this 30 can flip bullish, on the break of the high it's only 12, so you probably have to take a retest entry for maybe 20. But there was no top wick on that 5, so you may come down a little bit more here. How did previous hourly close? Yeah, still massive hourly resistance. Unless you get the 30 fake out, you consider taking it lower, but cross that bridge when you come to it. See, this is a nice example. Me and Jay were actually just talking about this in our one-to-one call. Whenever you see the candle close with no top or bottom wick, you got to be careful. You got no top wick on this 5, instantly pushes back down. Retest we look for now. Sometimes it depends really. Like for instance here, you can't take a break of the high because the range is so shit. So if you wanted to go long, the only entry is a kind of retest entry right now. But yeah, I haven't taken a break of a high in quite a while. Same as here. Like I was looking to take what, this break of this high, but then up into resistance like 3 ticks. It's like it's not even worth it. So honestly, it all depends. All of the ones from yesterday were all retest. Well, not necessarily retest, but yeah, execution ones. Like where is it? Like this here. It was just executing off the support and off the liquidity grab, and then back up into there is like 40. Same as here. If you took this liquidity grab yesterday, it would have to been off the liquidity grab to then get the real move. And ended up given like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 opportunities to rinse it again. Did the 5 minute give a top wick? No. Bouncing from daily support, yeah it is. Oh yeah, 30's closed above this little level here. Currently given a bottom wick. Just anywhere in this range on gold, you got to be pretty careful because you can get chopped up in here. Before you know it, your price could just literally just absolutely mess around in here and fuck around. So it depends on how much drawdown you want to. Depends how much drawdown you want to sit in and how long you want to give a potential trade to make 15 ticks. As long as your stop loss is down below there, you're going to be pretty safe. But it's a little bit choppy. A little bit choppy.
I'm gonna bounce, bro. I'm gonna go to dinner, but good luck.
Nice one, man. Enjoy. Talk to you soon, man.
See you, bye.
See you, mate. Let's have a look at pound futures. See what pound's up to this week. Little dip back down on pound. Look at that again. 5 minute close, no top wick. Instantly pushes down. How's the daily? How's the weekly close on pound? Pound futures. Ooh, very bearish close on pound futures. Look at that, respecting that resistance. Probably see this weekly flip back bearish on gold. Sorry, pound. Where could you short it down to? Pretty shit range as well, but you got pound futures coming back down into here. Probably like there. No real liquidity grabs. Grab the lows, push back up. Haven't traded pound in a while. Yeah, it looks like it's been pretty choppy recently, to be honest, Harry. I don't think there's any been any clear runs, Even before this run, you never really grabbed these highs, so I don't think you would have caught that. Unless GU grabbed them highs, I don't think you would have really have caught that. Gold still pushing down here. Look at that. See that? No top wick. Pushes down. No top wick. Pushes down. No top wick, but pushed higher. No top wick, pushes down. Tricky on gold. Tricky. If this can come and grab previous 5 minute lows, you could consider the flip out of this current 5 for the 30 to come and create a top wick, which is only 4 pips away. I want to over analyze here, but this 30 is looking pretty choppy. I want to grab 15 low. Is that on Powerman, or are you looking at Goldie? Goldie. Yeah, well, I mean, if you come back down to this 50 miller, I think you just keep pushing down, because if we were going to flip bullish from here, you'd want to see this low respected, because this is a nice liquidity grab of previous 15-minute lows. So this should be enough for it to flip bullish. If it breaks this 15-minute low here, you'll probably just keep pushing down. Markets are waiting for this whole Gaza thing, in my opinion. Yeah, possible, man, possible. I mean, I had some amazing moves yesterday. I don't know if there was any news overnight. I think that there may have been. But I mean, yeah, with that whole situation, yeah, it can come at any point. How long we got? 5 minutes. Come on, give me 2 sets, guys. It'll be 5 minutes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's that about? Hey. Is it because it looks like a cage? A cage? Oh, that's it. Aaron, when's your Lambo coming? Soon, man, soon. Nah, not yet, man, not yet. Not anytime soon for me. Yeah, I wonder if he's getting a Lambo. Maybe. What's Goldie up to? Not getting a whole lot of volume here in Goldie. I think you're going to come and grab these lows first. If you can grab these lows, I would consider some longs. Sammy's back. Ding, 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 ding. There you go, no top wick on that 5 again. Look at that instant top wick down gold. Yeah, we need some more. I need to see some more volume here. If this 30 starts to flip, I don't care. I don't think that's a true move. I think it come down a little bit lower here on gold. Morning, Jay. Let's go futures. Generate GCZ3. Yeah, that's it, man. Yep, that's the one, man. That's the one. It's the best time to trade gold in Oz. Right now, man. Right now until about 9 PM Brisbane time is my max cutoff point. That's my favorite time to trade. I mean, you can trade gold in US if you really want, but I personally don't trade US session here in Australia. Gold for me in the European session gives more than enough that I don't even need to trade it. I don't even watch it. I haven't stayed up to watch New York Open in I don't even know when, like probably 2 months or something like that. I'm in and out way before then. Made like 70 ticks on gold yesterday before New York had even opened. Do you prefer Tradeovate or Ninja? I use both, man. Well, I use Ninja for personal and then Tradeovate for Top Step. Because then I can have it open in 2 tabs. So I use the NinjaTrader web browser, which is exactly the same as Tradeovate. NinjaTrader owns Tradeovate, so if you're trading on Mac and you're going to trade on Top Step, then just go with Tradeovate. Because if you want to trade on the Ninja actual app, you're going to need a PC. The actual app is pretty clean, to be honest. But I trade on my Mac, so I just have 2 web browsers open. Ninja and Tradeovate. Sweet, cheers. Yeah, no worries, man. No worries. You're looking for buys on gold? Yeah, possible. I'm looking for some volume, to be honest. It's 5 minutes looking a bit whack to me. You have liquidity here and down here, and you kind of already grabbed this little double top here. So you've grabbed the highs, you've tried to push down, but you just kind of got stuck in this range. 30 has just created that top wick there. Is the clean look the only reason you chose Ninja over Tradeovate? Now, I use Ninja for personal, simply for the fact that I can have Tradeovate open on 1 tab for Top Step, and then personal open on another tab on Ninja. And people were having, some people said that the Tradeovate had lagging issues. I personally didn't experience it, but I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go with Ninja. Oh, thank you.
They forgot one of his toys.
Oh, really?
Oh,
Oh, this is nice. Oh, actually, might be quite. Actually, might be good. Okay.
okay.
Bye.
Oh my god.
bro, anything on gold today? Yeah, possibly, man, possibly. I was looking for longs, shorts before, but you got this big rejection. I think gold can have a potential fake out here of this level and come back down to grab these lows. That's the kind of only real trade I see right now, is shorts down into this low. Unless you close like back above here, and this 30 actually flips bullish, then I'd consider longs. But anywhere in this range here, you can see how much it can chop around. So unless you get like a strong 5 close like above here, I'll consider longs. I mean, you may get it in 45 seconds, but that's kind of the only real play I see right now. So you could maybe have buys once this 30 flips bullish, stops below the low. But your TP is going to have to be here at like 10 ticks, so the range is a bit, it's not great. And the fact that the hourly is still at hourly resistance as well. See, previous hourly has been bullish, bearish, bullish, grabbing previous hourly highs. So you may have to wait for London Open here, but we'll see. Unless this 5 minute starts aggressively closing bullish, you may have to wait for that. 15 closed, nice liquidity grab to flip back bullish, failed to close bullish, so not a lot of volume. Wow. Hey? But yeah, there is news today. There is retail sales pre-New York. I still think London can give a potential move here though. 15 has just closed with 3 ticks of a body, so not a lot of volume in that at all. Not a whole lot of volume just yet. But like I say, London yesterday we had some great moves. So if today gives moves, amazing. If it doesn't, I don't really care. We'll react. If we get some good volume, amazing. We'll react to it. But we don't have any indication to do that just yet. So we're chilling. We're chilling. If this 30 gives a fake out and closes back below this range, then amazing. That's when you can then start to consider that short. But until then, you kind of just want to see some volume in this 5, because if you start taking trades off this 5 when the markets are ranging, you will get absolutely chopped up. Absolutely chopped up. I love trading the 5 minute, but if you trade it in a range, it's one of the worst time frames you can possibly trade. I don't know if you asked this, but how did you learn? Loads of places, to be honest, man. I did loads of different courses, a lot of bullshit signals, a lot of basic retail courses. Oh, this 5 minute, look, this is gonna break the highs here on Goldie. Look at that volume. So you're breaking these highs here. If you can push with good volume, you may see gold continue pushing up. So 30s now actually flip bullish. I want to see this 5 close some volume here. Morningstar, yeah, it is on the 15, yeah. Oh, look at that, you're in the longs again. Angel's in every position. Angel's back in longs. Angel got 10 ticks on the sell, 10 back up on the longs. Look at that. Buying off that 15 level. Look at that, beautiful, man. But yeah, no, I learned off loads of different people. Some good, some bullshit. But yeah, I just had to find my own feet and adapt to my own style. Took little bits from loads of different people. I did loads of courses, loads of communities, and education. Yeah, send it to me as well, man. Okay, now I'll join. I'll pay. And yeah, it was never a point of like, you know, a certain course or strategy didn't necessarily work. It just didn't work for me. See you, man. I'm off as well. I'm joining Angel's community. Angel's building a website as we speak. But no, that's the execution you want though, Angel. Keep executing these levels and just see how it reacts. Manage your risk and just see how it fucking reacts, man. Even if you get break even off this, who gives a shit? You reacted to the level, and that's what you got to do. React and just see how it works. That's all we can do in this game. Oh, look at that. Pound futures actually did come and grab that double top. Did we speak about that on Friday? I don't think on Trade Down Friday. I just noticed that little double top. Spike out the double top. Oh, look at that. Fucking hell, that was like a 100 tick push. Insane, insane, insane. Look at that. You created a double top there? No. Just grab the highs again on Goldie. So you just grabbed previous 15 highs. You haven't really grabbed any lows. This five's looking a bit.
It's more like a double top on my chart.
Is it? Yeah, it's on the futures. Yeah.
No, on the forex comp. On futures, on futures it's there.
Yeah. Yeah, it'll double top on futures.
Might be interesting if we grab those highs and push down.
Yeah, that's what I'd like to see, man. I'd like to see this 30 close of the fake out.
Since that was our initial idea.
Yeah, I agree, man. I agree. And then the hourly will close respecting that resistance as well.
Yeah.
Which would be nice. Then they can play the range. Yeah.
No, but I have this slight patch on my back as well.
He's tired.
Yeah, he's exhausted.
You tired, puppy? But yeah, I think we just wait for this 30 close. We're going to hit the London Open in 10 minutes as well. We'll see what that brings. I'm going to update this trade Zeller whilst we're here, whilst we're waiting. I haven't really been using it, but let's update it. Trade Zeller. What was that, Poppy? How do I log in? How do I import trades again on this trade that I've forgotten? Close plus 5 ticks, close with a double top fake out traveler. Yeah, good man. Stack up them wins, man. Stack up them wins. You're executing and managing risk, and that's the most important part, man. That's exactly what you want. That's how you gotta play it, man. Just keep doing that, and honestly, man, that's the best way. Trade of 8. How do I put on this week's trades on TradeZilla? My times it all wrong here. Oh shit, I messed it up. Why didn't trade it come up? Oh, this 30 ideally could give a nice close here. Ideally. Grab those. How do you rate prop firms? Do you think you should avoid it if you can? No, not to them. I'm a big advocate of prop firms. I wouldn't have been able to scale my personal trading if it wasn't for prop firms, man. Just stay away from the dodgy ones. The only prop firm I recommend in futures is Top Step, and in FX is just FTMO, and that's it. I've tried a lot of bullshit FX prop firms, but all in all, FX and futures, Top Step is without a doubt one of the best prop firms. I consider short, yeah, possibly, man. We're coming to almost last 5 minutes. Yeah. Currently in a quick sell scalp. Good job, Harry, man. Nice little sells of that resistance. Nice little scalp, man. If you got it off that. Little 10 tick bounce. Quite nice, actually. Go on, lads. Mark in the chat. Mark in the building. But no, I think prop firms are great. I think prop firms are amazing. But, like I say, if you're not consistent, prop firms are probably one of the worst things you could possibly do. Because they're going to blow up your psychology. You're going to be pissed off when you spend the money and fail the challenge. And you're probably going to quit trading. If you're not already consistent, there's no point going for a prop firm. But once you are consistent, yeah, prop firms are amazing. One of the best things you can do. As long as they're a good prop firm, like I say. There's a lot of dodgy ones out there. Every other person starting their own prop firm these days, but as long as you're with a good reputable prop firm, like I say, Top Step's been around for like 10 years. One of the first people, first companies to actually start up in the prop firm game, and they got some of the fairest rules. Look at Pound having a nice little push there. Look at that. Yeah, we may get a potential 30-minute fake out play here. So this Audi still respecting this resistance. So if the 30 closes back below the level, same as the 15, you know that's a potential trade shortened down into these lows. It's the only real play I see right now, which could actually still be a nice play, but 6 ticks locked in. Good job, man. Last 5 minutes. Yeah, good job, man. Nice trade. Get your 6 ticks and dip, man. Dip. Let's grab this liquidity again. 6 ticks is great though. Snipe it. That's yeah. I didn't actually realize. Although this is in a little range, you know, from here to here is it's like 12 ticks. Short the resistance by the support, and you just made 12 ticks. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Pound futures are having a pretty big dip here. So I don't trade it. I think there was some New Zealand news today. Didn't actually react that much by the looks of it, but I believe there was some New Zealand news today. New Zealand dollar news. Yeah.
I need to run, mate.
All good, man.
Thanks for the info.
Yeah, no worries, man. I'll see you on the next one.
Cheers.
See you, mate. So have you had anything about the concept trading? Let me Google it, man. It rings a bell. I'm not sure why. Let me Google it whilst I wait for you. The order field and trade base sounds so aggressive. Yeah, I have it muted, man, because it's so annoying. It is aggressive. I have it muted. Yes, I have heard of this prop firm. I don't think I've heard good things though. I think the leverage is terrible. I don't know though. If they're Australian, then the leverage has to be 1 to 30. And if it's 1 to 30, don't waste your time. Don't quote me. I don't know if it is. I think that's the only potential issue with them. Unless they offer something that a prop firm that's already been around for longer don't, then look into it. But for the most part, all these new firms popping up don't offer something that isn't already out there. But yeah, check out the leverage on them. And I'm not too sure what it is, but if it's 1 to 30, I wouldn't waste your time. It's not in their FAQs, which is slightly concerning. I don't know what the profit targets and stuff like that are. Yeah, like I said, I don't know if they're good or bad, but I would watch for leverage. All leverage in Australia on Forex is 1 to 30. So if they're a Forex prop firm, I assume it's going to be 1 to 30. And if it's 1 to 30, I wouldn't bother. Oh, is this 30 going to close below on gold or not? Look at this. Is there an indicator on what makes them a dodgy platform? Just reviews. Like, I mean, I've tried loads of dodgy platforms. The rules are always bullshit. It's very hard to actually get paid out. They don't want to see you do well. They'll pull some stunts like my Forex funds where, they'll trade against you. It'll be on a dodgy broker that you've never even heard of. Loads of things, man. There's loads and loads. 1 to 30 is enough for the commissions. Yeah, it is, man. Looking for this if we close. Yeah, I think so, man. I kind of agree, yeah. I would like to see this just close a little bit more volume, but it's not looking like you're going to get it. So you've just had the hourly close there on gold. Hourly has closed bullish above this range. It's not the best close, but it has closed bullish above the range. NASA's nice topside liquidity we're looking at. No top wick on the daily. Ooh, let me have a look, man. Let me have a look. Let's have a look. Ooh, yeah, very nice. Yeah, it hasn't grabbed any daily highs yesterday either. Yeah, I think that's probably a pretty easy trade. Easy buy on NAS up into highs. Looks pretty, yeah, it's pretty clean, man. I like that. I like that, mate.
I like that for me.
There it is.
Here it is.
What's up, man? What up?
What up? Chilling Starbucks.
Nice, man.
You know it, better.
Living the life.
Mate, look at it. It's reacting. Kept on into it. I think something up, whipped up first.
Yeah. I know,
Yeah,
man.
I mean, it's really gone back down to more walls.
Yeah. It's not looking great yet. Not looking great just yet.
It's in a range, really, isn't it?
Yeah, it's in a shit range, man. Bouncing. I think it's not good idea to trade on Forex prop firms because you trade pretty much. Hey, look at my future. Trade. Yeah, I literally I agree, man. That's the only reason I trade on Top Step now is because you get to pick your own broker. With all these FX firms, they tell you what broker you have to trade on, which is probably one of the most dodgiest parts. Unless it's a reputable broker, sure, but for the most part, you'd never even heard of them because they're made up. Because they get to control it. Yeah, you trade on Top Step, you can literally pick 5 different futures brokers. And with futures, it's way more regulated. So in futures, you would never have, like on Top Step, you'll never have a stunt like my Forex funds. It's just never going to happen. Futures is way too regulated. I mean, when I used to trade on FTMO back in the day, you used to be able to choose your broker then as well. But they don't offer that anymore. But still, I still think FTMO is probably one of the only FX prop firms I would recommend. It's the only one I've tried anyway that are still legit and around. I've tried some other ones and none of them are around. I'm sure there's other good ones out there, but if they're not offering something that isn't already out there, what's the point? Yeah, FTMO used to be able to choose your own broker, man. Yeah, I can't remember which one I used to trade on, but yeah, you used to be able to pick your own. Yeah, Blueberry. I can't remember the other ones. Prime or something. Yeah, they used to have a. Yeah, now they have their own. Yeah. Dodgy fuckers. Dodgy fuckers. Yeah, I personally wouldn't go back to trading on an FX prop firm. I wouldn't go back to trading FX full stop, but I mean, even for you guys who are on YouTube, like maybe you still trade currencies. Remember, you can trade a lot of currency futures as well. Like if you like trading Euro USD, you can trade Euro futures on Top Step, which is literally the exact same thing. You're gonna get better fills. You don't have to worry about your broker manipulating you at any point. You got better funding opportunities. It's like, yeah, it's amazing. 8cap is the worst fills ever. Yeah, well, 8cap seems to be the broker that everyone's using these days. So they're obviously doing some sort of deal with influencers where they're encouraging them to start their own prop firm. Because they're obviously going to make a shit ton of money out of it. And I think their leverage, I think all 8cap prop firms are 1 to 30. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure they're all 1 to 30. It's bullshit. Instantly 15 pips. Yeah, that's insane, man. It's fucking insane. It's cheap for prop. Yeah, that's legit, man. Yeah, under 10k. That's crazy, man. It's crazy. It's all demo money. It's all demo profits. Demo money, demo executions. It's all bullshit. And NAS from 268.5. Very nice, man. Join your group. Oh, nice, Matthew. I'll see you. Matthew, join the Zoom link, man. Get verified. Join the Zoom link and come and chat in Zoom, man. Good to have you in, man. And I'll welcome you in after this as well. But great to have you, man. Look at this range on Goldie. Why is 1 to 30 leverage no good? It's just you're just not gonna be able to take full position size and like more than one. I have tried one FX prop firm probably like a year or two ago now where the leverage was 1 to 30 and I couldn't open more than one full position, and I was just taking to 1% risk, and you couldn't even open up one position with 1% risk. It was insane. So yeah, you're just not going to be able to trade properly, and that's literally another thing to think about when trading. You know, but as if trading isn't already hard enough, you have FX prop firms that are doing anything to stop you from making profit. So as if you haven't already got enough stress from trading, you got to worry about if a certain prop firm is good. Just stick with the most well-known ones. You can gamble more in Oz, yeah, you can. Apparently in Oz you can only have 1 to 30 leverage, but you go down to fucking pokies on every other side of the road. I wonder why that is. Oh, Goldie have a nice little bounce here. Oh, there she is. Now we're awake. Well, good morning, Goldie.
I just couldn't believe what just in there.
Yeah, look at that. Did you take it long?
No, Ron literally went out, literally as soon as he pressed to close the position, he shot up.
Oh no. Oh no.
Seconds after, like, not even like a bit of time between, like, the seconds.
Yeah, look at that push. Now we're awake. 100 ticks, bang. Yeah, might got the longs on Nas. Yeah, now we're waking up. There's some volume. First 10 minutes of this London Open, we're getting some volume here. This is good. Oh yeah, look at that on Nas. Oh wowee. Where did you get long from, Mark? 68.5. Oh, you got a great entry. Look at that. So you got in literally right before this push. Yeah, incredible, man. Look at that. What a push. If you get a nice strong 5 close in here, you may take this higher on gold. This is finally getting some volume. It's cute. Yeah, it's nice. How many clothes did you buy?
A lot. They all fit except 3 pieces.
That's good. Oh, some of you guys got the longs. Look at that. Nice. Break above, retest. Oh, you guys got the Nas longs. Yeah, look at that. Lovely. Jay got gold futures. Look at that. Good shit, guys. 2 people in Zoom got, 3 people got them Nas longs and gold buys. Amazing. Now I'm going to have to revenge trade to catch up. On the flip of the 5 minute on the new hourly, yeah, amazing, man. Yes, you got longs from literally here. like right there. And you already break even, smash on that 100 ticks. That's crazy, man. Look at that, amazing, amazing. Good shit to you guys who caught this little play. Very nice. Now I'm gonna have to FOMO into this 5-minute close here. Because technically, I guess, you know, there wasn't a lot of volume, but the 5 hourly did close above, little bottom wick, now pushing higher. Not the cleanest of entries, but it was clearly there. Grab previous 15-minute lows, breaking above them highs. Yeah, so it's a solid push. When in doubt, Mark, execute Warren's words. Is that financial advice, Mark? If it is, we're on to you. We are on to you. 13 seconds to this fight. It's going to close on Goldie. Coming back up into this original level back here. What a push. 1 5-minute candle can change everything. Look at that. Not financial advice. You're going to give a bottom wick. You're going to give a top wick first. Yeah, look at that. Break above. Retest. Boom. What a push. No bottom wick. Instant push up. Look at that. Goldie. How many ticks was that 1 5-minute there? 20. Look at that. Lovely. Very nice. Remember, this is the overall liquidity region as well. Whether you're going to come up and tap into these highs this morning, we'll see. I don't think you'll have enough volume to push up into these highs yet, but who knows? It's the overall level, so let me just bring it across. Yeah, look at that. You guys have got a pretty big. So you got liquidity down there and liquidity above here. 50, 60. Actually, the nicest entry so far this month, I think, was at 6 AM. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, push up. I passed test. If that means you got funded, man, good job. Very, very well done. If you got funded, good job, man. That's what we like to hit. Sure. That is a lovely push. It's a shame there was no like volume before it. Like it was just the 5-minute was just so dead, but the 15-minute, yeah, 15-minute just broke above. Respecting that level, pushing higher. It's a pretty simple push. I'm just gonna be asked to sit in low volume. But no, that's Goldie though. You just execute and see how it goes. Look at that, break above 30, up into the next level. 20, 30. Yes. Oil gave me a target. Good job, man. Very good job. How is oil? I haven't looked at oil in a while. Holy shit. So you're grabbing previous 5-minute highs there on Goldie. Gap up on oil, instant fill. Pushing back down. It's quite choppy. I don't say too much on oil, to be honest. Bounced on that support nicely. It's the only real thing I can see. Is it 6 AM was a good time to buy gold, same as what I did? Yeah, that's a great buy, man. That's a very, very nice buy. Off here, because the 30 came down, grabbed these previous 30 lows, and then bounced beautifully. But yeah, on the 5-minute, that little liquidity grab there was really clean. You know, like I say, that left shoulder, head, right shoulder, big push. It's the only real entry I see right now. Well, that I can see since we've been on anyway. Got some dinner paste. First time at Flash. Trade safe. What do you get, man? $400 on the day. Good shit, Angel Man. Good job. Very well done, man. Enjoy. Take it and run. It's great profits, man. Good shit, man. Good shit. $400 on the day is amazing work. You guys got some good plays. You absolutely sniped that as well, Nathan. That was a fucking great trade, man. Same as Jay. Good shit, man. Yeah. Yeah, it's so clean, man. That was the little I think I had that little 5-minute liquidity level drawn on as well. Came down, grabbed it, and instantly pushed. Look at that. It was a lovely push. Yeah. These. Yeah, it's nice, man. It's very nice. Down to 40. Close that minus 10 ticks. Oh, I thought you got. Oh shit! Oh motherfucker! Oh, fuck! I just saw. Oh no. Fuck! That's annoying, man. Damn. Did close below your level. Oh man, that was a great call regardless though. Great call, man. Great call. 2 down, 2 L's. Yeah, I think you had the same buy as Joe, I think, which you were talking about. It was actually a lovely. I think you had it from. Was it here? Where was the buys from yesterday? Wait. Where was the buys from yesterday? I know what you're talking about. Where is it? I think it was it that buy? That one was it? Was it that one or was it this one? This one. Yeah. Oh, you had it like this. Yeah.
9:40 yesterday.
Yeah. Yeah, I still think that was a good buy. Yeah, I think that was a good buy. All part of it, yeah, all part of fun, all part of the fun, man, all part of the fun. How much daily average salary in Australia? I don't know. Maybe 70,000 a year or something like that. Maybe I don't know. Maybe the average. I don't really know. 60 is the average.
I think so.
60,000 a year is a average Australian salary. I'm not sure what that is a day. 60,000, yeah, too good to say 60,000, yeah. But yeah, cost of living in Australia is very high. It's very high because 5 minutes time to reject your own goal. No, I wouldn't actually. Sorry, I wouldn't say very high, but cost of living is high, yeah. Just to buy normal stuff is it's pretty high. I mean, if you when you buy cars and stuff like that, yeah, it's much more expensive.
You realise how expensive it is the other day. I went in Coles to get a bottle of mouthwash, $17
Yeah, it's so ridiculous, man.
for a bottle of Listerine.
Yeah, it's fucking crazy. I feel like recently it's just fucking me going up and up and up. It's fucking mad.
Yeah, it is.
Doesn't help that tax is like fucking 40% as well.
I did a shop for all my breakfast for about 12 quid.
Yeah, it's so good, man. You could do like a weekly shop in Australia. Probably gonna set you back like what, $200 something? Would you say $200 for a weekly shop in Australia?
Yeah, I mean, doing
That's
like
pushing.
90, and that's us being good.
Yeah, $200-300. Yeah, probably more.
Yeah, my mate's got 2 kids and his is like 500 a week. Like,
Yeah, it's fucking crazy, man. I never
you know, only
expected it.
4 as well.
I never expected it to be so expensive.
That's why you always do brothers out.
Yeah, true.
Please head not on.
You spend $200 a day in Oz? Nah, I don't spend 200 a day. I don't know how much I spend on average a day. I don't know. But I mean, like, I probably spend like $300 to $400 a week on groceries, but I eat out a lot. At least we don't have to worry about tipping people. Yeah, that's true. That is true. Tips are the biggest scam. Yeah, if you don't do it in America, they get offended. Just 3 to 4 ticks per hour. Yeah, everything in life is ticks. So, yeah, cost of living is like 1 tick a day in Australia. So I guess it's pretty good. Man pays for ticks. You can live pretty well in Australia. 10 ticks a week, and that's not very hard. Lives what kind of style do you trade? I love the videos. Thank you, man. The style I trade is intraday futures liquidity grabs. I did a whole video on a gold day trading strategy. It's pretty much just that, man. I haven't taken a trade yet on stream today. We had a lovely trade on stream on Friday, so you guys can go watch that recap or go watch that stream from Friday. It was a great trade. Liquidity has played out beautifully today, but I unfortunately just didn't catch an entry. I was looking for gold to come up into this resistance, but it's still pushing. I still got like 40 minutes. I can have an entry come at any point. I just want to see more from this 5 minute. But yeah, the whole style is gold futures liquidity. Do you accept ticks? Yeah, absolutely. FTB trading 10 ticks. Yeah, nice. Gonna have to get that on the website, I think, man. 10 ticks a day. 10 ticks a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. When you think of everything in ticks, life becomes a lot easier. And I took 70 yesterday. What's this? Where's this from? Thank you, I'll read it after. Thank you. And I'll be joining tomorrow. Awesome, Nathan. Sounds good. Looking forward to having you, man. I think if anyone's interested in the trading retreat, I think either today or this week's probably going to be the last day, because I'm thinking of, I think there's maybe like 2 or 3 tickets left, but I'm thinking of blocking off soon just because we have a lot of people coming. So if anyone does want to check it out, it's going to be the last week, unless, and then it'll be a 1 in 1 out unless anyone has to cancel for whatever reason. On Trade 8 to ticks. Let me see. I think you can do it. I'm sure you can do it. Let me have a look. Where is it? I'm sure there's a way to do it. I know there's a way to do it on TradingView, but I'm sure there's a way to do it on here. Is it in overall application settings, maybe? Yeah, I'm not actually sure, man. I've not looked here. I'm not actually sure. I feel like you definitely can do it though. Where else would it be? There's no other settings. Yeah, I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure. Yeah, I've definitely seen it. I feel like I've seen it before. I could join your group. I wonder how often do you live trade? It came every single day, man. Every single day like this in the London session. These YouTube ones won't be every single day. This is just whilst I'm doing the challenge, which I haven't even started yet because we're looking for trades. But yeah, every single day in the London session, and then I share analysis outside of that as well. Come and join us, yeah, Mark. Mark's in there. Mark's catching bangers today. Had some great calls yesterday as well. Amazing calls the past few weeks on gold. Gold recently has been incredible. Absolutely incredible. You live like a king in Istanbul. Yeah, you would. You really would, man. I was in Istanbul probably 2 years ago. I think 2 years ago. I had probably one of my biggest trades to date whilst I was in Istanbul, actually. But Istanbul's a cool place. Istanbul's a very cool place. But yeah, you could live pretty well there. Anywhere in Asia, you know, you could get like a 50 to 100, 150k funded account and trade pretty consistently, make like, I don't know, 2,000-3,000 a month consistently, live a pretty good life. You don't need to be making 10,000 a day to live a good life from trading. You just need to be consistent. Consistent and disciplined, that's it. Like today, I haven't taken a trade yet. I have no FOMO. I have no need to jump in, and most people are probably jumping in trades left, right, center. Whereas I'm just waiting for my plan. So if my plan comes in, amazing. I'll take it like yesterday. You know, this month, the past few months on gold have been absolutely incredible. Gold has had amazing moves recently, so you got to take advantage of it whilst you can, and milk it for everything it's worth. So I haven't had a losing day this month yet. Touch wood, can come at any point. It's not an egotistical thing, but I haven't had a losing day yet this month. Like I say, obviously it can come at any point. But like I said, when the market's hot and when gold's hot like this, you have to take advantage of it as much as you can. As much as you can. But yeah, like I say, you can if you're in Asia making $100 a day, yeah, absolutely, yeah, $100 a day is amazing. Obviously, not every day is going to be $100 a day, but you average it out, $500 a week. Yeah, you don't need a huge account to make $500 profit a week, including losses. Do you know how often live? Every single day in the London session, 7 till 9 a.m. London time, like 4 until 6:30 Brisbane time, and then outside of that, there's the whole trade setup channels where I'll share the liquidity regions as well. 2 contracts, 25 ticks a week. Yeah, man, that's amazing. Easy as. Even $50 and you can survive. Yeah, 100%. When I first started traveling and trading, I definitely did it on a budget at some points. I've stayed at some questionable places in my time. I've also stayed at some amazing places. Look at this 5-minute on gold. Instant volume to shit. This one looks easy for a consistent trader. It is, man. Yeah, like it honestly is, man. Catching 25 ticks a week on gold, man, is nothing. Is absolutely nothing. You'll get there, man. Honestly, once you get there, once you get consistent, you get disciplined. 25 ticks on gold in a week is piss. I'd be going for much more than that. But if that's what you wanted to go for, it's fucking easy. But if you only go for 25 ticks a week, then you got your stops have to be very tight as well. On my way, yeah, absolutely, man. You'll get there. There's no doubt about it. You got to believe in yourself. But like this move today on gold off this support up into there is 30 right there. It's easy. Yeah, man.
I've got a question. Right, you know, when you're looking into the
yeah.
The price all the time, does the prior 5-minute candle compensate the war as the candle form, or you can check it?
It depends if it's like a range play or if it's a continuation. If it's a continuation play, like say if you get like a strong push like this, and I want to keep following this higher, yeah, I want to see previous 5-minute lows get grabbed. You know, if I was going to get it from like down here as well, yeah, I wanted to see this low grabbed before having that push, which it did, yeah. So for the most part, yeah, I want to see some 5-minute lows grabbed before taking it. It doesn't have to be grabbed on the candle that I want to take, but as long as a 5-minute low at some point has been grabbed, then yeah, that's good enough for me. Yeah, I personally don't like, I don't know why, I've never been a good continuation trader like this. I prefer to wait for more ranges, pullbacks, liquidity grabs, and then get it. I'm not a very good impulse trader once it's had a big move like this. I prefer to wait dips, and then I'd rather be in from like here and here than trying to jump in once you've had this big push, personally.
So what you looking for now? If you could like show it out what you'd like us to do, what would you be looking for?
Right now,
Maybe a full ride.
yeah, I wanna see this 5 minutes horrible, but this 30-minute in 1 minute is going to be really nice. So if this next 30 can give us an instant bottom wick, then amazing. Then I'll look for a 30 continuation and I'll take that. And then on the 5, that'll give us some liquidity grabs that we can play. As that's the only thing I'm really waiting for now. Nice 30 close here. We're breaking out of this support, and you know, you get a bottom wick and you could be buying gold all the way back up into like 35 to potentially 37 if you can get some volume. But yeah, man. No worries, man. Took a little short on Nas. Very nice. Very nice. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, nice. Found some. Oh yeah, look at that. Grabbed all of that liquidity. Look at that. Grabbed all of that resistance. Dipped straight back down. Look at that. Huge, 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 huge. Alright, we've got 30 close there. Instant bottom wick. Amazing. Come and grab previous 15-minute lows here. And that's going to be a potential flip out there. So grab these 15 lows. More of a bottom wick down into the support. And you may look for gold to at least come and grab previous 30 highs and ideally push more up into this level. I'm going to clean this 30 up a little bit now. So the next resistance is going to be there. Again, if you take the break of the highs, it's not going to be a worthwhile trade, so you're probably going to have to look at a retest entry. So let's see. 15 just closed incredibly doji, but the 30 is still actually quite nice. As soon as you grab these lows, you start to flip out of here. That's the potential play right now. Don't do it. Okay, it's fine. Alright, let me just quickly go to the toilet, guys. Let's bottom wick form, and then we'll see what we get. On a futures 10 ticks to the highs. Already covered 6 to 7. Yeah. Did you just grab the lows there on the 15? Yeah. Cool. Alright. Well, this music's fucking trash. Let me just change this. What the fuck is this? Yeah. So you're dipping down here. Ooh, look at this. Nice. So this is a nice bottom wick at this support right now. So this is a nice level to be open to retest to keep pushing higher. Futures charts starting to reject already here. Currency charts just starting to pick up. The only reason I'm skeptical of a retest entry right now is because the volume's so ass. And the range is very tight, but it is potentially worthwhile. Previous hourly was bullish, right? Anyway, so here. Previous yeah. We'll wait. We'll wait. I'm being patient today. I'm a huge fan of this price action. Little double top there as well. You have a double top on the currency chart. So at some point, and maybe dip down a little bit more, at some point, you're going to see gold come and grab these highs. But yeah, I'm going to be in Bali next week, so there'll likely be no YouTube streams, but there'll still be Zoom streams. I'm not going to have my setup to do the YouTube streams, but we'll definitely still jump on Zooms.
You're going to Bali next month?
Yeah, I'm going next week, man. Yeah, just for a little trip.
Oh, great.
Yeah, just for a little getaway, man. A little break. I need a change of scenery, I think.
So I thought you were going to Vietnam.
Yeah, going to Vietnam in November as well, man. So going to...
Alright. Travel Trader is back.
Yeah, Travel Trader's back, man. I need some trips again. It's been a while. I didn't mean to... I should have broken it up a little bit, but yeah, I needed some breaking. It's pretty sweet. From here, you can fly to Bali direct, so it's pretty good. And then yeah,
It's like quite near from Australia, I guess.
Yeah, it's convenient, man. So I was like, we should have gone more often. But yeah, they'll be in Vietnam with Joe, Mark, and Ron in November, which will be good. Vietnam for like 10 days. I've never been to Vietnam before, so that'll be cool. 5-minute closed bearish there on Goldie. No longs just yet. Nas is looking like you could see a Nas continue pushing higher. Personally, I don't really trade it in London, but you may see Nas go higher if it can flip back bullish, come up and re-grab some highs potentially. Like I said, I don't like to trade it in the European sesh. Probably wait for it, pushing quite steep, wait for it to flip. I mean, you can take a retest entry, but it's not probable. Look at this on Goldie. I think Goldie may be chopping up a lot of people today. I don't see anything amazing just yet. I mean, we're only 6 minutes into this 30, so this could easily just be a big retest to flip bullish on this 30. It's just not that clean just yet. Nothing clean is jumping out on gold right now, other than this little run. You know, you've had that nice spike in volume, tried to continue pushing higher, broke above the highs, closed back below, ranged, and dipped back lower. So I think anyone who's jumping in longs on gold is getting trapped. Anyone who jumped in shorts have got trapped. So you've got to be very, very careful. Very, very careful. I mean, we still got potential for a trade. Just grab previous 5-minute lows there. I just want to see. I want to see a clear direction with some true volume. When volume came in, straight back down. So there's no true direction on gold right now. Be interesting to see if Nas flips, but I haven't watched Nas in a while. How did Russell, our boy Russell, move yesterday? Robbie's joining. Russell yesterday. Chop City. Look at that. Interesting. Look at that. Chop. How did Dow move? Did gold chop in New York? I didn't watch it. Yeah, where's New York open? Yeah, I kind of did actually. Look at that. Although it did grab lows, yeah, it was pretty shit on the 30. Looks like US has been chopping a lot recently. Yeah, pretty choppy there as well. 30 minutes, no bottom wick. Is that on NAS? Oh, look at that. Yeah, still respecting resistance. Yeah, we'll wait. I'll sit back here. I'm not nothing crazy is jumping out for me just yet. But it's okay, we're chilling. We're not taking a trade, we're not taking a loss. If we do get a nice clear entry, I'll absolutely take it, but as of right now, we're just chilling. So you guys on YouTube or Zoom, feel free to shoot over any questions at all whilst we wait here on gold. Or if you guys want me to, even if you guys still look at FX pairs, if you want me to have a look, I I can still run over it. I haven't looked at GJ in a while. If anyone's still been sniping GJ. How's GJ been moving recently? Pretty shit. Pretty shit. GJ had a lovely run at the start of the year. Now it's kind of stuck in a pretty big range. Owlie's still been having nice moves. Ooh, look at that double bottom that got grabbed on the open. Gap down, grab the lows, instant pushback higher. Ooh, there you go. Now we're getting some 30 rejections here on gold. Let's see how this 5 is going to close. You may look for this 30 continuation. I may have to go half risk today though. You have grabbed previous 5-minute lows here. Start to reject instant bottom wick, and you may look to buy gold into the highs. I'm very likely just going to go half risk if I do take this trade, because I'm not liking the look of the price action. But if it comes up and it's valid, we have to take it. Otherwise, if we don't take it, we're cherry picking trades, which you don't want to do. Has to give some sort of a top wick though. Don't close with no top wick. Instant bottom wick and then a potential flip out of that. Potential flipperoonie out of that. Futures chart is going to give a top or bottom wick first. Go on. Futures chart is not moving. Well, mine's not moving anywhere.
Great volume.
Yeah, man. Why's my futures chart not giving a bottom wick? Is my Ninja Trader frozen or something? Or is it just dead ass
No,
volume?
even mine's not moving. Don't worry.
Yeah, fucking crazy. Look at that.
Yeah, it's stuck at now it moves.
Yeah, yeah. I was like, is this fucking frozen or is there just no volume?
Like we do have a bottom wick on the currency chart, but we don't have one on the futures yet.
Yeah, the currency just did give it quite nicely. What would stops be like? 10 ticks? Potential 25. Yeah, I want to see this. I want to see this futures chart give a little bit more of a bottom wick here to consider. But this lack of volume is quite painful. Quite painful.
Here it goes.
Yeah, push. Yeah, yeah. I'm not in this, brother, guys. I'm not in. I'll tell you guys if I get an entry here. The 30 is looking nice though. Look at that 30 now rejecting, retesting that level.
Yeah.
Nice little buy. You would have gone into 8 pips drawing, probably break even already. 31. So now, yeah, go on. Give us a little bit more of a bottom wick, because now we have that top wick. That's fine. If you get more of a bottom wick now, and then it re-breaks its own high, then amazing. I can look for a buy. Because if it comes up to create a new high, it has the potential to close with some good volume. This is
always got a big top wick middle.
yeah, it's rejecting pretty hard, isn't it? Yeah, it is.
Now
Yeah,
we get a bottom wick.
it's big hourly resistance. It's such a shitty little range on Goldie today. Like, that's the thing. I'm so zoomed in on the 5 here, but this is what we'll work on with today.
When it's choppy like that, I just turn the 5 off, mate.
Yeah,
It's
100%.
a waste of time.
Still-
50 minimum, man.
Yeah, 5's the worst time frame to trade when gold is choppy. Not enough of a bottom wick for me. I'm not in this. Took another reverse on that. That's nice. Yeah, 5-minute flip bullish there on Nas. Like I say, I don't trade it in European session. I don't trade it at all, to be honest. But yeah, have a nice little push. That was a nice little call there. Wait, what? No. Oh yeah. What a guy. Yeah, see, look at that on Goldie. I'm not in this. I'll tell you guys if I do get it, but yeah, it's just This is not a whole heap of volume just yet. The thing is, I think it will very likely continue flipping bullish and pushing higher. It's just how long is it gonna take? How long do you really want to sit in a trade for 10 ticks? Not that long. You want to be in and out 10 minutes max.
What would you class as London open? 9 o'clock London.
I usually class it as, what time is it now? Like 8? Is it 8 in London? Where's my clock? Yeah, at like 8 AM is usually when you see the biggest spike. But yeah, to be honest, recently it's been common at like 10 AM London time. Friday it came in nicely at 8 AM. But yeah, recently it's been worth like almost sticking around to like 11-12 AM London time. But not watching the 5 too much. Got a flip on that. Is there any? Did anyone take this gold buy? Like I say, I'm not in it, but if anyone did take it, you'd probably be managing already. I don't know if anyone got it. Have to get the reverses in Mega Manual. You got a nice entry there. Played out pretty nice there, man. 15 hedges closed with a pretty nice bottom wick. Hasn't grabbed any highs, which is actually quite nice. If you get a bottom wick to grab these 5s, then I could consider it now. The fact that 15 hasn't grabbed any highs is actually quite nice. No, I won't win that. I ain't sitting that shit. Peanut joint trampoline. living the dream. Signals on the go.
He is living the dream.
Yeah, managing aggressively. Nice, Harry. Where did you get longs from, Harry? Did you get it off this little 5-minute flip here? If you did, it's actually quite nice, man. Probably be break even already. Fuck it. I just took a long match drawdown, was like 450. Got out minus 90. Yeah, that's alright, man. It's not bad. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, on the flip. Yeah, good job, man. That's a nice one. As soon as you clear this resistance, yeah, you're probably going to have a nice entry. Where is it? Yeah, as soon as you break this, you're probably going to see a pretty steep drive into here. I'm not feeling this entry. I'm not feeling this range on gold. I'm out of touch with gold today. That 30 retest though was pretty damn clean. Yeah, there you go. Actually, it was nice flip. There you go. Look at that motherfucker. So if you did get this one, I think you may still grab these lows because there's not a whole lot of liquidity, but you would probably want to be break even. Second you come into this resistance, potential level where it could go against you, you have to manage risk. Whenever it comes into that level where prices start to go against you, you have to manage your risk. Regardless of where your position is, you have to manage. Oh, two trades drawn up that would be in profit. Not one of them was executed. Look at that. That's what you like to see. And both are going to come back down to fucking break even. Is anyone watching anything else today other than Goldie? What do we actually have? What's actually going on today for the rest of the day? Let's have a look. On a higher time frame. Because look how this 4 hours doing. We're in a very, very annoying range here. I think actually you may. So my overall liquidity levels today are these ones here. It's looking like you're probably going to come and grab these. This is probably my favorite one. This is like a triple top on the 5 minute. If you can grab this, then shorts down into daily lows is going to be a pretty big trade. I still think, you know, even if this hourly closes bullish, I still think you're going to see much more of a bottom wick before that comes in though. It may not come until news, which is, I think there's what, retail sales today. Yeah, core retail sales, 10:30 p.m. So it's just an hour before New York Open. You got some retail sales, which could be pretty volatile. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, look at you, got fucking great entry there, Harry. Good trade, man. I missed that fucker again. Did you get filled in gold? Nah, I didn't, man. For some reason, the futures chart just didn't give me a bottom wick. I mean, it did, but like not as much. I mean, even on this current 5, the futures chart didn't give bottom wick. But I mean, it did on the currency, but still, it was too tight for me to get the flip. But if this had given a steeper bottom wick, if you look at it here on the futures, I would have loved to have taken that breakout. Yeah. So the futures gave like a tiny bottom wick. If it given more, I really wanted to have a buy stop in, but I think if I put in a buy stop, I would have got market execute filled because it was that close, and I would have been a little bit pissed. Got in at 1932, took some partials, stopped to break even too. Amazing, man, amazing. Yeah, you got in there. Yeah, great entry, man. Yeah, amazing. Good shit, Aiden. So you got in there. You're already up. Yeah, 20 ticks. Look at that, fucking good shit, man. That's a fucking great move, actually. Had a TP at the highs. Yeah, amazing. Job done. Good shit, guys. That's what I like to see. You guys are taking it, which is fucking great. Amazing. Even I didn't get filled. Yeah, always the way, man. Always the way. Call the move great. You can get the fucking fill. Look at that. Because it was nice, you know. 5 minute closed bearish. The next 5 minute came down, grabbed the lows, and then closed bullish. So that's that little fake out you want to see. It doesn't give more of a bottom wick than amazing. You could have got a fucking great entry there. I mean, you guys already smashed that. So you're already hitting like 16 ticks in this little shitty range. Man, I fucking take it and run. Take like 80% and just let it do whatever. If it comes up to grab these highs, amazing. If not, who cares? You got some nice moves. If I can call the direction perfectly, though, but getting that entry has been a real pain in the ass. Yeah, it's a fucking nice rally. Yeah, it's a great rally, man. Great rally. Partials from like that 6 AM entry that you hammer would have been fucking huge. Like fucking 70 ticks is huge. Absolutely huge. I got but yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to revenge trade today, I think. Gold owes me big time.
I'm with you.
In hindsight, it actually was a lovely move. The 5 minute was ass. Why am I on 5 minutes 15? Yeah, look at that. 15 on the futures chart didn't even give a bottom wick. It did on the currency, I think. Did it give a bottom wick on the currency? Yeah, it did. Yeah, tiny. No bottom wick on the futures, but the currency did give the smallest. It's unlikely that you see such a small wick. Likely you see it retest the original one to give you that morning star. But I guess on the currency, it technically did give a bottom wick. And now you straight back down. Look at that shit. Coming down for a retest. Yeah, well, that's where you have to TP right at that hourly resistance. That one position from 6 AM now. I'll be gained 40 to 60 ticks. Yeah, which is insane, man. Yeah. That's why it's always good just to hold like, you know, sometimes just hold like a 1 contract runner, man. Sometimes it can be worth it. You know, 1 contract runner can sometimes stack up pretty well. Even if it's just, you know, 1-2 contracts, which may not seem like a lot at the time, you hold that bad boy and it can turn into a pretty decent position. A very decent position. and you catch a move like 40 to 60 ticks, man, in one day, man, that's a fucking great day. I would take it easy, take reduced risk for the rest of the week. Why not? It's incredible, absolutely incredible. Like I'm just trying to see like where can I like what can I see for the next like hour, 2 hours, and I honestly don't see that much. I think, you know, the more you tease around this resistance on gold, the more likely you're going to spike these highs. But I just don't think it's going to be a plain sailing move, to be honest. I don't think it's going to be a clean run into them highs. I think it's going to take a while to get there. I do think it will get there up into here. I don't think it's going to be easy though. There's nothing, you know, yesterday I came on and gave some like clear, easy liquidity levels, but today it's not super clear because this range is so tight. You know, I'm super zoomed in on this 5 minute, but if you go to gold hourly and actually just zoom out for a second, you're just kind of chopping. If you can come and grab some highs, then shorts down into yesterday's lows is potentially a nice bet, a nice little play. So you got the potential to pull up, grab these highs here, and then I guess you can consider something like that. Unless you start breaking above this and you can continue pushing higher. Good afternoon, have a good night, bro. Enjoy, man. See you on the next stream, man. Enjoy. I didn't have a chance to do the trading challenge today, unfortunately. I've been too busy looking at my own positions. But hopefully tomorrow. We'll continue the YouTube trading challenge tomorrow. But my focus is trying to get my own snipes with you guys.
What do you look for when you're drawing your liquidity levels?
Like double tops, triple tops, and just highs that haven't really been grabbed before having a real move, to be honest, man. So, like, the whole reason for this one up here is because these highs never got grabbed before this push back down. So this is like a level where anyone who's like short from here is going to have stops above there. And whenever gold's going to have like a true move, it's always going to come and grab highs or lows before the real move. So even here before this huge push down, people probably try short here, stops above there, grab the highs, and big push down. Same here. You got a lovely double bottom. Oh, fuck off. Excuse me. You got a lovely double bottom there. So if I see that at any point, I'm trying to short into that, and then once you come and short into that, then amazing, you can look for the push out of that. So at some point today, you're very likely going to see this high grabs, and overall this week, the probability of gold grabbing these highs is very, very high. See, like even here, like even just here, before this real push, you come up, grab the highs, you have the push down. Before the retracement, you have the support, grab the support, push higher. So gold absolutely same here. Grab these lows yesterday, completely reversed. Gold always loves to grab some highs or lows before having the real move. So you've got to stop down there anyway.
I think it makes a difference, like, say you marking them on the hourly chart and it was like, okay, 6 days ago, 7 days ago, whatever. Do them levels still react as well? Or?
Yeah, 100%, man. So, where was the short I took last week? So I took this is probably my, let me get rid of this, let's hide this. Get rid of this. The short I took last week from up here was based off all of, see, like all of these lows never got grabbed before this push up. All of these, little double bottom there, all these lows here. So shorting into that is a huge move, even though it was like, you know, hours and hours away. They're still always going to get grabbed before having that big push. Same here. So yeah, like the more you spot them on the hourly, it gives you more of a range to trade. Even here, these highs never got grabbed before this push back down. So, you know, at any point, grab the lows, grab the highs, and then grab these highs and have that real push. Same here before this huge push down. Look out that, boom. There even before this little push down. Double top, grab the highs, huge push. And what from like an intraday perspective as well, like whenever you see like, why is it moving so slow? So you see how here, like all of this, let me get to 30. I mean, same with the hourly, but whenever you see price hasn't grabbed like any 30 lows for a while, like right now, you haven't grabbed any lows before this push up, you know at some point all of these lows here are going to be grabbed. You know, like as an example, like all well, I grabbed it there, but prior to this had pushed up and had never grabbed any 30 lows, so all of these become levels where you could grab. But as soon as it does grab one, then that becomes the most recent one. So see here, you had a little double bottom there, so you know at some point gold is very likely going to come and grab them. And you can either you can approach it two ways. Like you can wait for price to get into them regions and then take the trade out of it. But I personally prefer to buy up into that, so then you're covered in case, you know, if you wait for price to come up into this liquidity grab and then try and short and it just keeps pushing up, you're going to kick yourself that you didn't take longs from here into it. So I like to expose myself to buying into the liquidity and potentially shorting out of it. It's kind of the best way to approach it. But yeah, anytime you see like gold pushing up on like a clear bullish run on any time frame and it hasn't grabbed any lows at any point, they're very likely going to get grabbed. It's the reason I marked on this hourly low yesterday. Before this push up, you hadn't grabbed any lows, so that becomes liquidity low. You grab it and pushes higher. That's what Goldie loves. Goldie loves them liquidity grabs. So you just about grabbed them this morning as well. You just wicked out them lows ever so slightly. But if you zoom in, wick out the lows, push higher. Let me see what's going. Yeah, but these are kind of the only levels I'd watch. So you can already imagine anyone on gold right now, and this is the reason this high becomes the liquidity grab. All of these highs do, because anyone short in this resistance right now is going to be trying to do something like this, looking for this big play back down. So the probability of gold grabbing at least these highs now becomes very high.
Yeah, I just.
Do you get a little scalp?
Yeah.
It's
Hello.
yo man.
Yes, yes. So I thought my mic was off.
That's all good, man. You're on.
I was telling that I just set my alert for those eyes.
Yeah, nice man, nice. I think the only place I can see longs up into that is maybe if you come back down here, but I would love to be buying up into this to be like kind of, up into here. You've already got like 20 ticks, which is amazing. But the range is just nothing super probable jumping out for me today. I think you need some more price action, but at some point, yeah, if you can come up and grab these highs and either keep pushing high and daily flips bullish, if not, the likelihood of us grabbing yesterday's lows becomes pretty high. Yeah, grab the lows, pushed higher. Let me try and I'll see if I can draw on some analysis for you guys who trade at London a little bit more. 15's quite nice bottom wick. Yeah, I was just seeing that. Yeah, especially on the hourly, we've come up into this big resistance here, and you're having a little sell-off. Kind of intraday. Let me get rid of these for a second. Let's just zoom into this 5 minute. And at some point, the likelihood of these lows getting grabbed here is also very likely, because before this push up, you never grabbed these lows. So that's the reason I have these lows marked on. Same as this low here, but it already got grabbed, and that was actually a nice entry there. Buy off grabbing them lows, push higher. Came back down, grab the lows. But overall, to see that low get grabbed today would be beautiful. If you can grab these highs first, then that could also be a great short. Once you do obviously get some rejections. But yeah, if you guys want to trade London, I personally, I'm not going to. I don't really like anything on gold right now. But if you want to go for longs on gold into them highs, I'd personally wait for the 5 minute to close back bullish, back above that level, and then see if you can get a nice run into the highs. Also, Johnny, sorry man, I remember you messaged me on Instagram. I'll message you on Discord, man. We can jump on a call sometime. I just remembered that. Let me write that down. Sorry about that.
I'm pretty busy myself anyway. It's kind of. Yeah, and if you don't do it, you're not going to do it now because you're trading, and then after that, it's fucking late, and it's. We'll organise it at some point, mate. I'll get enough information off these streams, and anyway, it's more just stuff like that, really. Anyway, how to exactly how you mark your levels and.
Yeah, sounds good, man. Yeah, no, sorry, I just remembered I think I lost your Instagram. I get spammed on fucking Instagram, but yeah, I'll drop you a message on Discord, man. We'll jump on it sometime. Alright, guys, I'm going to shoot. I'm going to let price develop a little bit more. These are kind of the only two levels I'm seeing right now. Like I say, wait for the 5 minute to maybe close back above here, and you could consider longs up into that high. It's still like 20 ticks. If it can flip back bullish and the hourly continues to keep pushing up, that's kind of the only real play I see right now. I wouldn't get too chopped though. Don't jump in longs till you close above here. Don't jump in shorts to this low till you close below there, and keep it as simple as that. Until you get the closures above or below, I personally would stay very patient on gold today. You got core retail sales later on as well, which could give some more volume. But for London, I don't think I'm going to take a trade today. We'll see. If price develops a little bit more, you know, if we get something that's worth jumping on, I'll share some more setups and trade setups for you guys on Discord. But for now, yeah, I'm going to leave price action, let it develop a little bit more. And I'll chat to you guys in Discord in a little bit later on. So enjoy, guys. I'll talk to you soon.
Hey, bro.
See you guys. Bye-bye. YouTube fam, I'm going to wrap up. No trades in London. Price is just very, very range bound today. Nothing crazy jumping out. I'm going to let price develop a little bit more. And then, you know, update the guys in the community and see if I get any trades later on. I had a great day yesterday, so I'm not looking to give back too much just yet. I still got some runners that I showed you guys, but yeah, you guys have my levels. You got all my liquidity regions. If price starts flipping out of them levels, just buy and sell into them liquidity regions and keep it super simple. Remember, you got that news later on, so it could completely change everything. But for now, trade safe, be smart, don't force anything, and I'll see you guys same time again tomorrow. Trade safe. Peace.